Hi guys, welcome back to part 2 of our SSM marketing training video on how to use DevHub. So in the first video we just went through and showed you how you could set up your DevHub account and start to go through the process. But today what I wanted to do is go through and show you some of the major features of what DevHub can do for you. So as you can see, I am on my site at the moment in the editing section where I left you off last time, and today what I want to go through and just show you is some of these widgets that are over on the right hand side here. As you can see, there's quite a lot of them here that you can go and have a look and play with. So the first one I wanted to show you was actually the text widget, because this is where you can actually go through and put in your own pieces of text information, whatever it may be that you want to use. So to place in this text widget, all you need to do is put your cursor over it. So as you can see here, I'm hovering my cursor over the text area, and it says add text content to your site, and this little area here is drag to your page. So all I want to do is click down on it, and now to start drag. Now where would I want to put it? I can put it over here in the sidebar. As you can see here, it's making room for me, but maybe I want to put it in the actual major content area. So you can see here again, it's highlighted, then I drag and drop. So I've unclicked now. Up here is where I can go and put in. As you can see, it says content module. So here I can go in and put in my text or whatever it may be that I want to use. So I'll put in here something along the lines of testing out the content module of DevHub. So you'll also be able to tell here there's a lot of different things that I can do. I can change the style of what the font is, the size. I can bold it, I can underline, I can italics, I can insert lots and lots. So this is pretty much the same as just using Microsoft Word, but using it online. Very cool. Make sure that when you are using this, you always hit save. Unless you save it, it won't stay. So I'm just going to save, and there we go. I think it now will have put it down here, so you can see here I just need to save the page to see the results. So what I'm going to do is click on save the page. So it's currently saving. There you go. You can see here it says testing out the content module of DevHub. So now I can move that if I wanted it to go higher. So click on the move, drag it up, and put it there. I want to put it right at the top. Click and drag, and then drop. Very simple way of using it. Now say if I didn't like that and I didn't want to use that module anymore, how do I get rid of it? As you can see next to it, it's got to be the cross there. Click on the cross. It'll say delete this text module, all settings will be lost. I'm happy with that, so I click OK. Very simple, all done now. Quickly, just before I show you one of the other widgets, very cool thing about DevHub is this little slidey bar here is allowing you to put the width of how wide or how skinny your sidebar module is. So you can make it half the page if you wanted to, or you can just do it normal size. Other cool thing is that you can choose how many columns. So you can choose one column, so you got no sidebar, 2 columns as we had it, or 3 columns, so it's got 2 sidebars. Very cool. I thought I'd point that cool little feature out for you. Alright, there we go. So we've done the text one. The next one that I might want to show you is the CPC ad. So this is monetization. So again, highlight over it, click and drag, drop it in, and then hit save the page. So it's going to go through and save it again. Unless you save the page, you won't be able to see any of the changes that you make. There you go. It says here the CPC ad module can only be displayed on the live page, so on the live site. So that's cool, that's fine, I'm happy with that. Something else I might want to put in is some affiliate products. So again, highlight, click and drag and drop. There we go. Very simple. Now what we get to do here with the affiliate module is we can choose how many items, so anywhere from 1 to 10. On the sidebar, probably 3 is good, and then type in a keyword. So this keyword is going to go and choose the products for my site. So if I type in internet marketing. It's going to go and find internet marketing products to display. So very, very simple. Again, hit save module, save the page, and we'll start to see some of it come up. So very, very simple to go through and play around with all the widgets and all that. You can see here now it's gone in and put in all these affiliate products and everything like that. So it's very simple to have a look around and play with. Something else I might like to put on my site so I get some different content is this news module. So I'm going to click and drag on the news module and I'm going to put it in the center area. Very, very simple again. So news items to put in, again, might just leave it at 5, put in a keyword, again I'll put in internet marketing, hit save module. Save the page so we can see what it looks like. Guys, I can tell you, DevHub is one of the easiest editors for you to use. Very, very simple, very, very easy. This will start to feed up in when the page is live, and I've saved it all. But there you go, that's how you can use some of the very simple widgets and features of DevHub. I'm going to bring to you another video on how you can change the appearance of your site and add a blog to it as well, because blogs are very good because they are a dynamic page instead of just having a static page. So again guys, it's been Matt from ssmarketing.tv coming to you on how to use the DevHub widgets.